Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. So somebody was trying to ask, or they're not trying to ask, they were asking how to get the artistic media tool to give you a smoother. So if we take the artistic media tool and pick the one that has ends on it, and if we try to draw this, you can see it's not equal, it's not even. So what you can do is left click, right click, go up to object, break it apart, and now you get that line. This is your key right here. So let's take our shape tool and let's delete some nodes. Now, well, maybe that's okay, but you can always change the handles. So it kind of make it symmetrical, as you can see. Let's call that good. Now, let's try the smoothing tool. Smooth that out a little bit. Doesn't seem like it's doing anything because there's hardly any nodes there. So let's grab that again and let's call that good. Now, how do we get it look like the artistic media tool? Just go back to the artistic media tool and you get a little pencil, click on it, and then go right here. I don't know why, but you have to increase it or decrease it one click. So now I've got a much more symmetrical. I didn't take the time I did on this one, but you can always go back because you can really see it when you use the artistic media tool. So let's grab the shape tool again. Let's, maybe that'll work. Then grab the artistic media tool, click on it, and then just decrease or upkeep one little degree. So now you have a much more symmetrical. Now I always left click, right click, go up to object, break it apart and get rid of this line. And then you can always just left click and actually right click. You don't have to because it's not there. But that's how to draw a more symmetrical line with the artistic media tool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.